Hi, this is Chris Davies from carproductstested.com. I review cars and any type of automotive related products, and today I have the new Handpresso Auto Capsule machine. Now, around 5 years ago, maybe 6 years ago, I had the original Handpresso Auto, which took the sort of flat tea bag type ones, and you can use them with ground coffee as well, I believe. Check that review out, I'll put a link to that in the description below, but that's still going strong. Handpresso sent me the new capsule version, which is, just a little bit easier it's easier to keep clean, and it's easier to use generally. It's all new sort of electronics inside, and as with the last one, it's beautifully made, really stunning. You can feel just how high quality it is. I mean, it's even sort of taken this lid off, you can see sort of the actual action of it. It's just very high quality. It's nice and solid as well. Now, these retail for this kit, where you get the machine, and you get this lovely little sort of case, this Handpresso case, with all perfect cut out foam sections. You get this little sort of I guess you could keep your capsules in here, and you can also put your sort of spent capsules in there as well. You get the two little these aren't glasses, they're plastic, but they look really nice, and you get a little cloth as well, which is in here, for cleaning. So you get the instructions, which you can just keep in here as well. The instruction book looks really thick, but in actual fact it's in a load of different languages, so actually you've probably only got about 5 or 6 page instructions, and while it looks like there's a lot there, it's not. The first time you read them, it's very obvious how to use the machine. What I love about this is it's actually, you can use it with 12 or 24 volt outlets, so you can use it in a truck as well, or anything with a 24 volt plug. These are the quick instructions here, so you can see it's literally 4 instructions: add water, add your capsule, press start, and then pour your espresso. So a few stats about this kit is around £218 for the kit, around €245. If you just want the Handpresso capsule on its own, plus you get 2 of these nice little sort of I guess you call them espresso shot glasses, that's £173. But this one, obviously, you can take it, you can just put it in your boot, and it's nice and safe, rather than just sort of carrying it in a bag or something like that. So you get, as I say, you get around 19 bar of pressure, which is great for making espresso. And I have tested this already. It comes out really nicely. You've got a little display here. You've got your stop, and you make coffee and stop. That's pretty simple. Yeah, so you can see even sort of where the plug just wraps around the cable, and it sort of snaps into this little retainer here. It's just fantastically well made, as the last one was. They've improved even further on it. So well done to Handpresso for that. Now, with these, you can use oh, let's just undo that cable. As you can see, the cable's nice and thick. Let's go through that first. Cable's lovely and thick, and I'll say I've been using them for 5 years now. Nothing wrong with the cable at all. Let's just show the capsules again. So you use these type. These are actually Nespresso capsules. Nespresso have nothing to do with Handpresso. It's just literally you can use those type of capsules with it. You can also use Lavazza type ones, and Handpresso, if you go to handpresso.com, you can actually buy capsules off their website as well. Capsule price wise, you're looking at around £3.50 to £5 for 10 capsules. Let's have a look. You can also get, interestingly, you can get a power outlet, 240 volt power outlet for your home or your office, wherever you want to use it, and that's around £45. So I personally would be buying one of those, because I think that's a fantastic idea. You get perfect espresso any time of the day, and like it takes about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and demonstrate it anyway. So we'll put that over there in the meantime. So all you do is you plug this into your power outlet. As you can see, it says 12 or 24 volt on there. Just plug that in and it shows that it's lit up. It's working by the little light. So you then push this into your holder, you just undo the lid, and you've got this little light flashing. This means the water level needs to go up. So when that goes green, that means the water is at the correct level. So you do it slowly because you can overfill it pretty easily. Okay, so takes 50 ml of water to make the drink, and as you can see, the green lights come on and the little coffee signs come on. So we then take our capsule. Let's look for a non-dented one. These were dented in the post, unfortunately, but that's perfect, that one. Okay, so what you do is you just slot that in, you just let it sit there, you don't force it down or anything. And you know, line these two white lines up here, just twist, there you go, and all you do now is you just press this little go sign. So this sounds a little bit loud. It's not that loud, but it actually only lasts around 30 seconds of the 2 to 2.5 minutes it takes to make a coffee. My recommendation is that you actually make an initial coffee first, and then the second time you make a coffee it will heat up a lot faster. This is showing the pressure that it's getting up to, and obviously the heating of the water as well. So it'll give me 3 beeps when it's actually done. So let's get one of our little cups ready as well while we're waiting. You can see a really nice little design, good quality cloth as well, just to stop from spilling. There we go. 3 beeps means it's ready to go. So basically now I just take my espresso cup, put it somewhere safe. On here is a little bit slippery to my liking. Actually no, we could do it there, that's fine. Turn the machine upside down, you won't get any coffee coming out of this until you press it, so don't worry about that. As you can see, no coffee coming out. And all you do is press this button. And there you go. Just leave it for a few drops to go in there. That's the handy thing. You did get a little bit of splattering on there, but that's why it's good that it came with the cloth. But as you can see, you've got a really good crema on there. I'm sorry, if you can see, you've got a really good thick crema on there. It smells fantastic as well. That's a really good coffee. Much better than sort of going into a service station and paying an absolute fortune. And in actual fact, if you wanted, you could keep a small bottle of milk with you in your car as well, and you could, you know, make yourself an actual sort of proper cup of coffee if you wanted. Just add that to a cup with the milk. Let's try that again. You can see that's just really good coffee, and obviously you can get different capsules to your own taste. And now all you do is on here, when you finish with the machine, you should never just undo this lid straight away. That's a no-no, because you've got all that pressure inside it. So what you should do is you can basically wait for a couple of minutes and then just release it here. There you go, no pressure whatsoever, it's not dangerous, and you can see that the the capsule where it's been crushed down and opened here. Oh, that's still quite hot actually. And that's it basically. I do carry a couple of pieces of just like paper roll with me just to wipe up and clean my cups, etc. But apart from that, you know, we've got a really nice coffee. Again, it's just really high quality machine. You only need to clean the Handpresso capsule machine out about every sort of 100 coffees that you make. Obviously that depends on the time period as well, but you know, just to keep it nice and clean inside and flush it through, you know, 5-6 times with water. You do actually get a little brush as well to clean it off inside, so you can, let's just put that in there actually, so you can just sort of clean everything off in here. And you should never put your hand in here because that's where the really sharp things are for puncturing the capsule. As you can see, that's where the capsule is punctured underneath as well. So if you visit handpresso.com, I believe that they do ship worldwide, but this is just a fantastic coffee. And actually I'll make another one and show you it close up, just actually making the espresso to show you what it's like. Okay, so this is tricky one-handed. Let's just go for it. The pour should be slower than the original Nespresso capsules. So let's go for it. A little bit quick. Not too bad. Ooh, we've got a lovely crema on there. So there's nothing dripping out afterwards. I've not had anything splashing around there, so you can see the crema's really good on that. I like coffee, but I'm not particularly a coffee connoisseur. But let's see this. See, that's absolutely lovely. Let's just have a taste of it. That is really good. Yeah. If you love your coffee, you've definitely got to get one of these. Much better than paying overpriced motorway services coffee, and it's really good quality as well. So thumbs up for the Handpresso Auto Capsule machine.